I'm gonna make my own vanilla extract. And what I'm gonna do is, you can get these at the dollar store. They are literally $1. And so I sterilized it and cleaned it out, although we're putting vodka in it. And this, comes with a little cork. And I also have a bigger one, which I was debating on doing today, but I think I'm going to do the small one today. So what I'm going to do is, right now, I'm going to pour vodka into my little container, and then when I come back, I will show you what to do next. Okay, I know it's a crappy shot, but I'm doing my best in my kitchen. I got these from Amazon, Vanilla Bean Kings. They are Madagascar, and oh my God, they smell so good. So I'm going to take this and cut it in half, and then I'm gonna add it to that. Okay, so I cut it in half long ways, and I don't know how well you can see this with my phone, but there are little granules in there that you're gonna scrape out with your knife and then put into the vodka. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this, but I will scrape it and show you what they look like. There we go. Can you see that? And all I did was scrape it like that, and got all that. And then I'm gonna put it in the jar. Like that. Obviously it'll go better and easier for you because you'll have two hands, but that's what I'm gonna do with probably 3 of these, 2 or 3 of these. I'll let you know at the end. Look at this. So I'm gonna put this in a cabinet, like where I have my other herbs and stuff like that, kind of a dark cabinet. And then probably by the end of maybe November, maybe like right before Thanksgiving, I will take it out and test it to see how it is with, how the taste is. So I ended up doing 3 of the vanilla beans. Debating on another one, can't quite decide, but let me give you this little tip. So I don't even know what word to use. This is Kelly, but okay, so I'm on my counter. My cutting board over there has something else going on. So I wanted to cut my vanilla bean. I put down a piece of foil so I could scrape it. No big deal. But I do this, so when I cut the vanilla bean in half, I can cut on the counter, which I didn't really want to cut on the counter. But that way, then the foil doesn't like get in the way and rip, because that's just what I'm like. All right. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to insert this probably, just do this as a quick video. Nothing too fancy. But I thought I would just pop this in here so you guys could see how I make it, because I am so tired of spending $9 on imitation vanilla or whatever for me to make cookies or whatever, and it tastes disgusting. So I want mine good. So that's why I'm making it. Also, I can't remember if I told you, but I put the full vanilla sticks in there, as you can see, after I scraped them. Just gives extra flavor. And in case anything's missing flavor-wise, or I missed any of the seeds or whatever, or beans, then, it helps out. I shake it every few days.